My name is Lene Rex, and I'm a Litigation Legal Practice Assistant in Womble Bond Dickinson. I also currently serve as president at the Charleston Association of Legal Assistants and sit on the advisory board at the Paralegal Studies at Trident Technical College. As a Litigation Legal Practice Assistant, I support a team of 5 attorneys handling business litigation matters. My day typically involves managing client intake, preparing pleadings and discovery, and coordinating deadlines to keep our cases on track. Graduating from the Paralegal Studies program at Trident Technical College in 2019 truly launched my career. The program gave me both the foundational knowledge and the confidence to step into demanding roles. The hands-on learning and mentorship from my professors, Mr. Ginn in particular, were invaluable. I recommend the paralegal program to anyone looking into entering this field. It prepares you of what to expect in the real world. I mean, I never had background in the legal field before entering it. I was a banker. For anyone looking to start a career as a paralegal, be curious and proactive. Seek out internships, entry-level roles, or volunteer opportunities to gain hands-on experience. Never hesitate to ask questions. Every case teaches you something new. It's very stressful at first because of the deadlines, but getting positive results makes it very fulfilling, and that's my favorite part of it.